Well, I think science fiction, generally speaking, allows us to really think about what could be, given where we are now, imagine what it could be like if. I grew up watching Star Trek, and I mean the original Star Trek, and I was in high school when the first Star Wars movie came out, and it was just so fascinating. And of course, during the same period of time in the U.S., we were experiencing the mission to the moon and all the excitement that was involved with that. That was science reality layered on the science fiction, and it got me very excited about science, broadly speaking. Yes, we often stretch the truth, or the same way we stretch time and space, but they're getting people excited and asking the questions of, well, what if that could happen? And then discovering along the way that, well, what they could do in Star Trek, they may not really be able to do. However, it enables you to imagine what could be.
I think that yes, science fiction, but I think that more this scientific popular program really helps to people to understand that science is interesting, that we should work on it, that maybe for young people they understand it's not boring, that they should go to universities to go with chemistry and so on.
I was in France. We are inspired by all the science fiction culture, movies or something like that. So, what my personal opinion, I was very fascinated by all the objects or teleportation, lightsabers, flying cars, and I think many of us are, as teenagers or child, are very inspired by this kind of evolution technology. But maybe some of us are not passionate about these things, but it inspired us a lot for science advances, and maybe one day we will have some lightsaber or flying cars. I don't know. What I think is, if we could make the overboard from Back to the Future, what's next?